Hi, it's Ramiro with CarHavn. I want to talk to you about our premium oil change services and packages. BMW's come with a program system called the CBS, or condition-based servicing, that calls for oil every 10,000 miles or so. That is incredibly excessive. You'll see in the zooming in here what oil looks like at 5,000 miles. This oil cannot take another 5,000 miles. What we recommend is doing it every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whatever comes first. We use only liquid moly oil with the right approvals and certifications for your BMW. So it depends on the year of the car and the engine. The weight is going to be different and the type of oil is going to be different. It has all the detergents and lubricants the BMW recommends for a proper service. That's our standard oil service. We have a premium offering as well, which includes an engine flush. We only use a liquid moly engine flush product. It cleans the inside of the engine, all the sludge and all the dirt that accumulates inside. This thing flushes it out. Recommend doing this every 1 year or every second oil change. And then to top it off, we recommend also the Ceratec friction reduction additive. This is a ceramic-based compound which makes the engine from the inside lubricate a little bit better, reduces friction within the main internal components of the engine, crankshafts, camshafts, all the lubrication inside gets taken care of by this Ceratec product. So sum up, standard service, oil and filter, 5,000 miles, 6 months. Engine flush every year, and Ceratec on top of that, same thing every year or so. So come to us for premier, excellent oil services for your BMW every 5,000 miles or 6 months.